Everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my left here, you're looking at one of our new 3 glass door flower coolers. This is going to be a 3 glass door flower cooler. Okay. Also on the side we have glass displays for this unit, and on the front we can locate our controls. We have a temperature control followed by a power and a light switch. Before we get started, I want to go ahead and measure the exterior for this unit. I'll also measure the interior for you. The length, you're looking at 76 inches. For your depth, you're looking at a total of 28 inches. And the overall height, from the very bottom to the top, you're looking at a total of 78 inches high. 78. Okay, the unit does have wheels catchers on the bottom already installed. Makes it easier for you to use it or move it around in your business. Now I'm going to go ahead and open up the unit, show you the inside. You also will be provided with an instruction manual, so if you have questions, don't know how to use the unit, all the information is located on that booklet. Overall length for the inside, you're looking at a total of 72 inches. Front to back, you're looking at a total of 15. Length on just the shelf itself, you're looking at about 35. And the overall height, you're looking at a total of about 43 inches high for the height. Now, the shelves will be included. You have a total of 4 shelves, and they will be adjustable. They can be adjustable. You can adjust them. We also have LED lighting on both corners on the front, and your fans are located on the bottom of this unit. Okay, now if you follow me over to the back, we'll show you the back of the unit. On the back is where you'll be able to locate your plug. Standard US plug, runs on 110 volt. Also on the back, we have our compressor as well as a drain pan for this unit. And on the top, we can locate the sticker with all these specs on this unit, as well as your circuit diagram, and we have our certification. Okay, so the unit is certified by the health department. Okay, so this is going to be just a little demonstration on the 3 glass door flower cooler. 3 glass door flower cooler. If you're interested in one of these units, go on our website, coolerdepotUSA.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this exact unit. If you have any other questions regarding this unit, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out with those questions. Thank you for watching.